Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Let's see how we can simplify this without using calculator. We have square root of 50 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 53 plus 1. So to solve this, we consider the solution from here. And here we have the square root of, so here the first one, which is 50 multiplied by, so 51, we can write it as 50 plus 1. And also we have 52, which is also 50 plus 2. And while 53 is 50 plus 3. Then A is plus 1. So into here, suppose we let's say we have x equals 50. That is, anywhere we see 50, we have to replace it with x. And from here, we have the square root of, here is x into bracket of x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3 plus 1. So the next step here is we are going to multiply this one. Let's say we multiply x with this. So what we are going to have here is simply we have square root of x into bracket of x plus 3. And also this one, we put it together as x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 2. Then here is plus 1. So in the next step, we have, let's open this one out. We have the square root of x multiplied by x. We have it as x squared plus x multiplied by 3. That is 3x. So we bracket this, open bracket. So by multiplying this one out, x times x, that is x squared plus x times 2, we have 2x plus 1 times x, that is x plus 1 times 2, that is 2. Then here is plus 1. So in the next step we have, so here we have to evaluate this. So here we have square root of x squared plus 3x multiplied by x squared plus, so 2x plus 2x, that is 3x plus 2, and then here is plus 1. So again, let's try to let x squared plus 3x, if I let this one equals y. So here we have the square root of y into bracket of y plus 2 plus 1. And here we have square root of, so y multiplied by y, we have y squared plus y multiplied by 2, that is 2y plus 1. And again, suppose we have a plus b raised to power of 2. So this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And if our a here equals y and b equals 1, so we can just do this as y plus 1 raised to power 2. This equals y squared plus 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by y multiplied by 1. And into here we have, so here is the expansion that we have. Then we have to recall from our roots that we have it as y squared plus 2y plus 1. And we replace y squared plus 2y plus 1 with y squared plus y plus 1 squared. So here becomes square root of y plus 1 raised to power of 2. And we have to note something, that suppose we have square root of x. So this is giving two values. Square root of x raised to power 2. So it is of two values. So the values are, we have positive x and we have negative x for here. And we have to consider these two. So from this above, we can have our this thing as y plus 1. So, and we can still have it as minus open bracket y plus 1. But the y we are considering here is positive. If y is positive, so therefore we have to reject this and we go for this. So we have the value of y already, so which is what we are going to replace. So don't forget that we have already let this y to be our x squared plus 3x. Then here is plus 1. So this is what we are going to have for this expression. And again, we have already let our x equals 50. And suppose we replace this x with 50. So here becomes 50 squared plus 3 into bracket of 50 plus 1. And 50 squared, when we expand it, we have 50 times 50, that is 2500, plus, so 3 multiplied by 50, that is 150 plus 1. And then 2500, when we add it with 150, so we have 0 plus 0, that is 0. And 5 plus 0, we have 5. 1 plus 5, that is 6. And here is 2 plus 1. Then into here we have the addition of this equal, it gives us 2651. So here is the answer to this. So therefore, we can now write it in a conclusion that if you have 50 multiplied by 51 multiplied by 52 multiplied by 53 plus 1, so the result of this is equals 2651. So this is how to solve this problem. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to this channel, please try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.